Hello,
Hello,
what's your name?
my name is Tina.
And how old are you, Tina? Very good. Are you ready for exam?
Yes,
Okay. Now, Tina, can you tell me what has she got or what has he got? Example, he's got curly blonde hair. What has she got?
got curly
She's
hair.
got
She got curly hair.
curly blonde.
Curly black hair.
Very good. What has she got?
Straight hair.
Very good. What has she got?
Straight
Blonde,
yellow
blonde.
blonde hair.
Very good. Or long blonde
Blonde.
hair. Next, what has he got?
He got
He's got
he got long hair.
short. What color? Short.
Brown hair.
Short brown hair. What has he got?
He's got short black hair.
Very good. Now, it's got two, look at the shapes. It's got two short sides and two long sides. What shape is it? Very good. Next, it's got three sides.
Triangle.
It's triangle. It's got four same sides. What shape is it? Very good. It hasn't got any sides. Very good. What animal is it? It's a,
It's a snake.
what animal is it?
An elephant. A parrot.
Very good. Last one.
A trap.
Very good. Now, what color is the snake? It's very good. Now, is snake long or short? It's very good. Is elephant big or small? Very good. Is parrot little or big? Very good. Is it tall or short? Very good. Do you like fish?
Yes, I do.
I like.
I like fish.
Do you like meat?
Yes, I do. I like meat.
Do you like sandwich? Sandwich or bread?
Yes, I do. I like sandwich.
Very good. Do you like rice?
No, I don't. I don't like rice.
Very good. I have eggs for dinner. How about you? What do you have for dinner? I
Have dinner.
I have what food?
I have
I have meat. I have fish.
pizza.
I have
Pizza
pizza for
for
the.
dinner.
Very good. What drinks do you like? What drinks do you like? I like juice. How about you? Ooh, okay. Thank you, Tina. Goodbye.